Just because you have a lot of money doesn't mean you should waste it on dumb things. Buying any of these 14 things is like throwing your money in the trash. Some of these items are unhealthy, others are pointless, and some are so frivolous that a child would make a better decision. Take a look at what some of the most ignorant people are spending their money on. Then, hopefully, you will make better decisions. Cigarettes. We're all aware of the cons of cigarettes, which have long been associated with adverse health effects. Despite the smoke-causing diseases, people continue raining money down on cigarettes. Not only do they harm your health, but they also burn a hole in your wallet over time. Kicking the habit can save you a significant amount of money and improve your quality of life. In-game purchases. Games possess a certain addictive allure, enticing players to invest in virtual in-game items that hold no tangible value. Many games also tempt users with paid level unlocking features to encourage spending further. These small, frequent purchases can quickly add up, leading to a surprising amount of money spent on virtual goods. It's a slippery slope that can negatively impact your finances. Fake tanning. Fake indoor tanning is a never-ending beauty trend that has long been associated with risks of developing skin cancer. Despite this being a well-known risk, countless people spend their money on fake indoor tanning. Beyond the health risks, the cost of maintaining a tan can be quite high. Investing in safer alternatives or embracing your natural skin tone can save money and reduce health risks. Pricey weddings. The wedding industry dramatically increases the price of any event or object marked as a wedding. As a result, items associated with weddings are often priced much higher than identical items sold for other purposes. This inflated pricing can lead to couples spending way more than necessary. Opting for non-wedding labeled items can help manage costs without sacrificing quality. Expensive coffee. You may think spending $5 plus on your daily coffee doesn't cost much, but in the long run, it is much more expensive than brewing coffee at home. Over time, the daily expense of premium coffee adds up significantly. Investing in a good coffee maker is well worth the cost. Making your own coffee at home can save hundreds of dollars a year. Diamonds. People's obsession with diamonds often drives them to allocate a significant portion of their monthly income towards purchasing a single piece. While diamonds hold their allure, the money could be used more wisely elsewhere. The resale value of diamonds is often much lower than the purchase price, making them a poor financial investment. Food delivery applications. Food delivery applications are a lifesaver for the disabled or housebound. But beyond that, spending a few bucks for a small meal isn't worth it, especially since most food delivery applications charge a higher fare than the original eatery. Also, the convenience fee and delivery charges quickly add up, making this habit an expensive one. Cooking at home or picking up your order can save you a lot of money over time. New smartphones. Many people buy flagship smartphones yearly. Most smartphones promise a particular upgraded feature, but these features can usually be adjusted in previous devices through updates. Buying a new smartphone when your current one is working just fine is most definitely a waste of money. Sticking with your current phone until it's truly necessary to upgrade can save you a lot of money. Airplane Wi-Fi. Airplane Wi-Fi costs are significantly higher compared to the typically free Wi-Fi available on the ground. The most frustrating part is that most airline Wi-Fi systems don't even work effectively because they rely on cellular phone connections, making the high cost even more unjustifiable. Planning offline activities or downloading content before your flight can save you money and frustration. Lottery tickets. We all know how lottery tickets are a money-wasting scam. While the prize money can be appealing, in the end, we end up spending more money than we'd win. It's just a form of gambling, alluring people to spend their hard-earned money that could be saved or invested. The odds are incredibly slim, and the money spent on tickets could be better used elsewhere. Fast food. Eating fast food is not only unhealthy, but also a quick way to drain your wallet. While it is undoubtedly delicious, it has long-term adverse effects on your health and wallet. Sometimes, it's okay to eat fast food, but try not to make it a habit and waste your money. Preparing meals at home is a healthier and more cost-effective alternative. Alcohol. Alcohol doesn't come cheap, and it's also bad for your health. Frequent night outs for drinks or stocking up on expensive vodkas can deplete your savings quicker than you'd expect. Cutting back on alcohol can significantly reduce your spending and improve your overall health and well-being. However, if leaving it altogether is not possible for you, try having it in moderation, which is not as bad for your health as excessive drinking. Cable TV. With so many incredible apps that you can use to stream your favorite shows, paying an exorbitant amount of money for cable is just not something you should do. So many people are cutting the cord on cable and spending a fraction of the price on apps instead. You can still watch all your favorite shows and have access to even more entertainment than you would get with cable. Get out of the cable rut and stop wasting your money on something you barely even use. Expensive baby clothes. Babies grow quickly. Buying expensive outfits that they will outgrow within a few weeks is just silly. Plus, a baby does not care how they look. They want to be comfortable. Do not waste your money on pricey, high-end baby clothes that will be in the donation bin in a few weeks' time. Save that money for the baby educational future instead.